The next thing we're going to do with this project, once you've done all your radial or diameter lines through there, it should look like this, where there's kind of three grouped and some bigger spaces and then three grouped and so on. So it should look like this one right here. We are done with the protractors, we're done with the rulers if you borrowed a ruler, things like that. The next piece that we're going to do is we're going to now include the angles and degree feature. You can choose a color. Some of you I know have the colored pencil, so you can choose to write in the color. We just need to remember that there's a tremendous amount of information we're writing at each location. So we're going to write in somewhat small lettering.
That's impossible for me.
Well, we'll have to get through it. So right here, on this side, how many degrees is this one?
0. You can do it.
So there's 0 degrees. That's that location. As we move up here, this first angle we measured was how many degrees?
30.
Why are we doing it in colors?
We want to be able to identify things quickly and visually.
Oh, so that's supposed to
So
be
we
in color?
should do
You
it.
can do this in color. You can do that in pencil also, but you can do it in color.
45 degrees.
I got
Great.
And
So there's 45 degrees. I would highly suggest, though, that if you start a particular color on the degrees, you don't change that as you go along. You stay with that degree color. What's this one?
60.
Now, the one I did not write on the board as we were working these out to measure is this top one up here. Anybody remember what this is supposed to be?
90.
Good.
I mean, that's the hardest one.
What's this one?
120.
Next one.
130 or something like that.
135.
That's 135. What's the next one?
150.
150 degrees. What is the next one? 180 degrees. Now these next ones, we did not actually measure them, but we're going to do some addition to get there. This one down here,
210.
yes it is.
225.
Dadgummit.
So 210, 225, and 240. The next one happens to be,
270.
yes, 270.
Why is it?
They're not up there anymore. What's the next one?
300.
That is 300. And then we have the 315, 330, and back up here, and one of you said at the very beginning.
360.
Thank you. So there's our angles.
Go us.
Let's also take a moment and at the very top of this thing, let's label this. We're going to call it the unit circle.
In color.
It can be in color for you. We will title this the unit circle.
That's pretty good handwriting. Check it out, man.
Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to allow room for ordered pairs. So I'm going to set up my parentheses and my commas for ordered pairs all the way around here. This is good. The parentheses and commas are set up in my graphite. The colors will come in a minute.